This woman and her baby fell down an open manhole, failing to notice it. This woman was using her mobile phone while walking. She then suddenly slipped into an open manhole with her 9-month-old baby. Immediately, a group of people nearby rushed to rescue her. They were able to pull out the 9-month-old safely right after the fall. The 9-month-old, however, hit his head while falling. The public is alarmed and upset. It is terrible to even watch. To prevent any future misfortune, they cover the large opening using plastic. Thanks to the quick action of the rescuers, there was no major injury.